it's Ashley BANGZ here. So you used the watercolor method and you ended up staining your lace. I'm talking you sprayed the freeze spray, you layered it up, and it's still soaked through. Well, all isn't lost. With some cheap items and a few quick steps, I'm going to show you how to make your lace workable again, okay? Because it's going to be workable. You ain't got to worry about it. You're going to look like this after I'm done, okay? After you follow these steps, you're going to be looking good. So, all you're going to need is a towel or plastic bag, some gloves, safety first, a ponyo or rubber band, some water, bleach, it don't even gotta be the expensive stuff, a spray bottle, a disposable cup, a small paintbrush, and some patience, cause yes. This here is from Rated I Collection and it's in the twirl texture. Okay, get you some twirl, honey, get you some twirl, okay, cause it's good and you're gonna love it so much, okay, you're gonna love it. www.ratedicollection.com. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to mix your water and your bleach in a spray bottle and you are going to spray that lace, okay? Spray it, okay? You want that bleach and that water to get soaked down in there, okay? Just soak it, all right? But if you're like me, you added too much water to the bleach mixture and it didn't turn out right. So, what did I do? I just put the pure bleach, no water, in a cup, and I started painting it on like a Picasso, girl. Okay, I turned it to an artiste and I painted it like a Picasso. All right? So, you're just going to continue to paint it on and then you're going to leave it and it's going to lift. Honestly, I should have just did that from the jump, but if you're scary like me, you want to try and. But yes, I'm going to speed it up. After you shampoo it out, what you're going to end up with is a workable lace again. You content it to your heart's desire. Also, when you bleach your knots after that, it's going to lift even more, okay? So, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, use code FEVER15 at checkout on RatedICollection.com. See you next time.